Pick myself piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little more underneath.
As soon as I leave the house, you wanna pay me. See, you got me trapped and wrong brain to this is slavery. You act like it's a rape, just give me space and won't get better. And maybe we will argue and be through with all these sorry letters. As soon as I come home, it's like I get the third degree. Where you been and who you with, I get no room to breathe. It makes me wanna leave. I'm sick of these chicks up your sleeve. Yes, as much as I can see, give me grief if I believe. But to me, if you really trust me, then it's pitiful. Question me about my whereabouts, that's what I'm saying, yo. Let me live my life and you can live yours. Just be there to help me and support is what you're here for. Not to give me stress and add the pressure. Home is where I go, the rest take a separate path. We had a lot of laughs, but the cookies come to the pass. Let's make it an even break, don't make it scandalous. Trying to be a true and dirty sure that we can handle it. You're saying I'm too busy, I ignore you. I guess you didn't hear me when I said that I cared for you. But now it seems the arguments are likely. I wanna hold you tightly, but instead you wanna fight me. So why let it stress and aggravate me? Instead I'd rather break, hope you don't hate me. You tell me that you love me, but you're lying. Fighting back to earth and start crying. I wipe away the tears coming up. I love you like you love. Know that I'm emotional, you milk me. Coming over crying just to get me feeling guilty. You and me were meant to be, and yet you always wanna sweat. How much closer can we get? Don't fret, just let me pack my things and I'll be out. This time I'm breaking out, you let your mouth overcrowd. I can't take the beefing and the griefing. I get no room to sleep, I hope the seats cause I'm leaving. Maybe next time you'll be a little more sure, and I can give you more when you mature. But baby, until then I gotta leave ya. It's not that I don't.
Love you till the sun dies.